Hello, Kunan. Good afternoon. Ah,
Hello, teacher.
can you hear me well?
Uh,
Can you hear me well?
I'm fine.
Can you
Thank
hear?
you.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Wow, that's great, Kunan. Okay, what is the weather today? Is it sunny?
It is sunny.
It's sunny. That's really nice. Okay, so before we learned about next to, in front of, and behind. Do you remember?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now I want you to look at this one, Kunan. Where is? Where is the school? Where is the school?
Is yes.
Look, where is the school?
It, mm,
It is next
it is.
to the park. That is
It
next to.
is.
Okay. So Kunan, today we are going to learn between. Listen, ask, and answer. Are you ready?
Already.
Are you ready?
Already.
All right, then here it is, Kunan. Listen carefully.
Okay.
Page 13. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where's the park?
It's between the school and the movie theater.
Between.
1,
Where's the park? It's between the school and the movie theater.
2,
Where's the movie theater?
It's between the park and the library.
3,
Where's the library? It's between the movie theater and the post office.
4,
Where's the post office?
It's between the library and the supermarket.
5,
Where's the supermarket?
It's between the post office and the department store.
6,
Where's the department store?
It's between the supermarket and the restaurant.
Very good. Okay, now Kunan, let's review between Kunan. Between means something is in the middle of two things. So this is at the center. Look at this one. This is middle. 1, 2, 3. Number 2 is between. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will be the girl and you are the boy. Look, Kunan, where is the park?
Is a between the movie theater and the shop.
And the school.
Sugar,
Okay. Now look at this one. What is this?
a backpack,
It's a park. Very good. Where is the park again?
a pavilion, school, and the movie theater.
Very good. Okay, now where is the movie theater?
A pavilion, park, and the
Where is the park? Oh, where is the movie theater?
movie theater. A pavilion, park, and the
And the
movie
library.
library.
Very good. Now, where is the library?
Library. A pavilion, movie theater, and the
And the
and the
what's that?
and the
Post office.
and the note
You say post office.
office,
Post office.
post office,
Very good. Okay, now look, Kunan, what is this? What is this?
is
We buy food here, such as fruits, vegetables, and many more. So what place is this? It's a, what is this? It's a
the
supermarket.
supermarket,
Okay, what about this one? What is this? This is where we buy t-shirt, dress, shoes, clothes, jacket, socks. What place is this?
and
Say department store.
Department store.
Okay, now what about this one, Kunan? What's this?
Is
This is where we eat food.
is
It starts with letter R. What's that? It's a restaurant.
restaurant.
Okay, now let's practice again. Now look at number 1. Where is the park?
Is parent. School. School and the movie theater.
Very good. Where is the movie theater?
Is Fairfax and the
What is this? This is where we read books.
library.
One more. Where is the movie theater?
Is Fairfax and the library.
Very good. Okay, now where is the library?
Is parent. Movie theater and the office.
Yes, very good. Post office. Where is the post office?
Is parent. Library and the supermarket.
That's right, Kunan. Where is the supermarket?
Is parent. The office and the the party. So
Nice. Okay, where is the department store?
is parent. Supermarket and the
Okay, restaurant.
in the better
Restaurant.
is parent.
One more, Kunan. Where is the department store?
September is between the market and the restaurant.
You say restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant
Very good. Okay, now look at this one, Kunan. I want you to look and answer. Where is the park?
restaurant is between the school and the movie theater.
Very good. Now circle your answer. That's right. Okay, now what about this one? Where is the movie theater?
Is between the market and the library.
Nice. Okay, now where is the library?
Is between the movie theater and the post office.
Very good. Okay, now where is the post office?
Is between the library and the supermarket.
Yes, nice, Kunan. Okay, I want you to say library. Library.
Library
Very good. Okay, now where is the supermarket?
is between the post office and the department store.
Yes, very good, Kunan. Wow, nice. Now last one, Kunan. Where is the department store?
Is between the supermarket and the the mm, restaurant.
Yes, that is perfect, Kunan. So for this one, you got 5 out of 5. Great job. So you have 5 stars here. Very good. Okay, now this time, let's move on with across from. Okay, listen, look, and answer. When we say across from, it's right here, Kunan. Look, this is the street. This is the street. And it's here. This one going to the other part. Across from. All right?
Alright.
Now, look. Where is the library? Let's practice. Where is the library?
Is across from the food office.
Very good. Okay, now where is the supermarket?
It arrived from the packet.
Park. Nice. Where is the movie theater?
is arrived from the red marshal.
Try again. Where is the movie theater?
Is
Yes, that's right. What is that? It's across from the.
the
What is this, Kunan? Look, what's this?
is this mm, red marshal.
Okay, you say department store.
Red marshal.
One more, department store. Department store.
Department store.
Yes, that's better. Okay, now one more. Where is the movie theater?
Is it arrived from the red marshal.
Nice. Now this time, let's practice with between. Okay, between. Now where is the library?
Home.
Where is the library? Yes, Kunan, where is the library?
Yes.
Hello, Kunan.
Yes.
Okay, where is the library?
Library.
It's between the.
Between the park and the
And the. What's
and
this? That's where we watch movie. It's between the park and the.
the
You say movie theater.
movie theater.
Okay, now where is the post office?
Office is between the market, supermarket, and the red market.
Department store.
Soy menso
Department store.
department store.
Yes. Okay, I'll give you 1 star for that, Kunan. Okay. Now that is, we are finally done with between and across from. Okay, when we say across from, it's here. 1, 2, then there's a street. But when we say between, it's here, in the middle. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now look at this one. We are finally in unit 2. Are you ready to learn more, Kunan?
Maybe.
Okay, it's all about lesson 2, things to do. Now look at the picture, listen, point, and say. You ready, Kunan?
Page 14. Lesson 2. Things to do. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Shop.
Shop.
Watch a movie.
Watch the movie.
3.
Borrow books.
Borrow book.
Mail letters.
Mail radio.
Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Kick a ball.
Kick a bus.
All right, now your turn. Look and say.
Crawl.
Very good.
Watch a movie.
Nice.
Watch borrow book.
Okay, you say borrow. Borrow book.
Borrow book.
Great.
Listen.
Nice.
Book. Groceries.
Okay, you say groceries. Groceries.
Groceries.
Okay, what about here?
Get a bus.
Nice. All right, now look at this one. Okay. What place is this?
It's shop.
What place is this? It is a shop. Very good. But where do we shop, Kunan? Do we shop in the library?
Next.
No, we don't shop in the library. Where do we buy clothes, Kunan?
No.
Where do we buy clothes?
No. T-shirt.
Yes, t-shirt. Where do we buy t-shirt?
Hats.
Oh, look,
Shop.
Kunan, listen carefully. Yes, this is a shop. But where do we go for a shop? Where do we buy clothes?
Vâng, đây là một cửa hàng nhưng chúng ta có thể đến cửa hàng nào để mua quần áo?
Yes. Red Mark shop.
Yes, in a department store. Okay, now, what do we do in the department store?
Chúng ta làm gì ở cửa hàng bách hóa?
Yes. Yes.
Listen, Kunan.
Chúng ta làm gì ở cửa hàng bách hóa?
Okay, look at them. What are they doing?
Yes, shop.
Yes, they shop. Very good. So say, we shop. at the department store? What do we do in the department store, Kunan?
Yes.
What do we do in the department store? Listen, Kunan.
Chúng ta làm gì ở cửa hàng bách hóa?
Look and read. We shop at the department store.
Is
Hello?
workshop at the department store.
Very good. Okay, now look. What are they doing?
Is
What do they do?
when is when
What do they
in
do?
is
Look at the picture, Kunan. What do they do?
Nhìn vào bức tranh, Conan họ làm gì?
is work on movie.
That's right. Very good. Okay. Where do we watch a movie?
Chúng ta xem phim ở đâu?
Where do we watch a movie?
Is
Where do we watch a movie, Kunan? Do we
is
watch in the department store? In the library? In the movie theater? In the park? Or at the supermarket?
in movie theater.
Very good. Okay, so what will you say? I watch movie in the movie theater.
Mm,
Look and read, Kunan. Look and read,
mm,
Kunan.
I watch movie in the movie theater.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one, Kunan. Okay, what does she do? What does she do?
Is borrow book.
Very good. Okay, now, where can we borrow books?
Chúng tôi có thể mượn sách ở đâu?
Where can we borrow books?
When borrow book is in the Library.
Yes, nice, Kunan. Library. Okay, now look. Oh, hello, Kunan. Look, what does she do? Look. Hello, Kunan. Hello, Kunan.
Hello, teacher.
All right. So look, what does he do?
Mary Lizzie.
Okay, again, what does she do? She,
She
what does she do?
is she
You say she.
she
Look at the woman. What does she do?
Nhìn người phụ nữ cô ấy làm gì?
is
She,
she ma le
she
in
mails
the
letters.
mail letter in
Very good.
the post office.
Yes, that's right, Kunan. Okay, now look at this girl. What does she do?
She bird she bird
Groceries. Grocery.
she bird was ready in the Septem
Try again. In the
market.
supermarket. Very good. She buys groceries in the supermarket. Okay. Now, what about this boy? Okay, what does he do? What does he do?
He killed a part
At
in the park.
in the park. Very good, Kunan. Okay. So today we learn about park. We play ball there. Library. We read books. Supermarket. We buy groceries. In the post office, we email letters. In the department store, we buy clothes. Okay? We shop in the department store.
Okay.
So how many stars have you got, Kunan? You've got, let's count.
Boy is song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's
You've got
9.
9 stars in total. All right, Kunan. So thank you so much for joining our class, Kunan. Okay, so I suggest that next time, whenever we have a class, take down notes of the vocabularies or all the things that we learned so that next time you don't forget. Okay?
Okay.
Tôi đề nghị rằng lần sau khi chúng ta có một lớp học, hãy ghi chú lại các từ vựng hoặc tất cả những điều chúng ta đã học để lần sau bạn